Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Who's Suzanne anyways? Wow guys, it's been a while. But finally I'm back and I'm going to be posting this video, so I'm excited. Today I'm actually doing a product review and I'm very excited to try this product out because I saw it at Ulta and I was like, I need to try this product out, you know? So I'm going to be reviewing this the first time I'm actually going to be using it, and it's going to be filmed on camera. So I'm really excited about this. It's called the by politesociety Big Mouth. And yeah, so I really like lipsticks or glosses that make your lips plump naturally. And this one is very interesting. It's a organic and cruelty-free product, and it has blueberry oil, pepper and ginger oil mixed in. So I guess that's what gives you the burning sensation and gives you these nice reddish plump lips. So I've heard by a few people that it burns like a lot, and I have other lip glosses that also do the same thing, but supposedly this one's like more intense than the other ones. So I'm gonna try it out and see if I like this product more than the other ones. And the other ones I got at Sephora and Target, and they do a pretty good job. And this one was $16, I believe, and it's the travel size portion. So we're gonna see how this one works out. The other one's a little bit bigger, like the actual size one, but this is how it looks. And it's like a really cute packaging actually, and it looks like a peach color. They only had one color, so yeah. Also, I forgot to mention that on the packaging, it's nice because it shows you the results. So it shows you a before and an after on there. So I thought that was pretty cool that you get to see how this product will work. And yeah, so I mean, let's see how. Also, by the way, I don't have anything on my lips. I made sure that just my lips look natural, just so you can see the real results. So you see my lips now, and I'll show you how they look after. So I heard if it works instantly. So it smells like peach, even though it has no peach in it. So it's so okay. So my lips are clean. I'm gonna be applying it on my lips and see what I rate this one. Applying it. I hope you can see it on the camera. I'm kind of nervous. I mean, so far it looks really cute of what I can see. So I don't know if I should apply a lot or just. And also a little goes a long way with this. I can already see that. Okay. So I just applied it one swab, or one, whatever you want to call it. So now let's see how it feels, and I'm burning right now. So I do feel it like tingly on my lips. Oh no, you can see they kind of look reddish now. So the color was a peachy color, but by the picture it does look really red after, once you're done applying it. So it doesn't say in how long it will react, but you do feel the burning sensation. Like, I can feel it right now, and it honestly doesn't hurt as much as the other ones so far, because the other ones that I use is the lip injection by Too Faced, and the other one is by NYX at Target. So, but this one actually looks really cute. It looks also, the lady who I asked about this product said that she recommends leaving it on if I think it looks nice, because it's like just an oil kind of base, but it does make your lips look really cute, like it feels actual thick gloss even though it's not. So I think it looks cute. Okay, so it's been like 2 minutes so far. For $16, I think this is a really good buy. So far, I think it's worth it. And the lady did tell me if I take it off, it still leaves the plump look. So I'm guessing that you can either leave it on for a cute, simple, glossy look, or you can take it off and just leave your lips looking just with no gloss on it. But yeah, so far, alright, I think I would actually rate this a 10 because the price is affordable and I love the ingredients it has in it. It smells good. You don't get a bad taste in your mouth or anything. It's very light and it does its job. So yeah, I think it's really a 10 out of 10, honestly, for my opinion. I think it's really cute and light on your lips. So yeah, I'm actually really happy I bought this lip oil. It's really cute and plump, you know, just how you want your lips, you know. So yeah, I definitely give politesociety on their Big Mouth Gloss a 10 out of 10. Yeah, I really like it. So thank you guys for watching. That was an exciting video to film. If you guys like more of these videos, please give me a thumbs up, and yeah, I hope I'll be posting more like this. And yeah, pretty much thank you all. See you in the next video.